totally plan on ending up looking like an idiot. Do you know how to do this? No, you start from the bottom and you do it in C.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Start in C?
Yeah.
What does that even mean? I don't know how you want me to do this, though. Like, how short do you want your hair?
I want it completely to the bottom.
But, like, even if I went in with this at the top would be, like, this much shorter. So, is that what you want?
Yeah. Okay. I don't know why I had the towel on.
Just needed to confirm that. I want everyone to know. I should have had you sign.
Oh, wait. By the way, we did have permission by Mom to do this inside the house.
I was gonna say, this is wild.
I did ask her.
This is a whole movie. We don't live with her, Mom.
I feel like you should be videotaping what you're doing.
I don't understand the C.
The what?
The C technique.
Well, you should do my bangs now. How hairy
You're gonna look like, what's her face?
I love her.
Anne Hathaway.
And the way.
Anne Hathaway in
Love is. Everybody says that. Oh my god, it is short. Okay, well that's good.
Oh my god! There you go.
I like it though.
Oh my god, it's so short.
I do like this. The bangs are a little shorter than I fucking wanted, but it's okay. This is a little shorter than Anne Hathaway and the Man.
You still have bangs. It's okay. We'll just brush them over.
Perfect. I love it.
It's so good.
Oh my god.
Don't cry. It's okay. We're all.
I'm not gonna. That's hilarious. Honestly, I love it though. Now people are
You can hide it. It could be your little comb over.
perfect. Love it. Love the comb over. I've always wanted one.
The bangs are. Oh my god, short.
I don't know why I didn't think it'd be that short.
Yeah, I don't know why
did
you
not-
either. I was like, your hair's gonna be short.
Whatever. You know what? I'm cool with it. I've got 2 months to grow it out.
Yeah, and this is perfectly fine. You can do that blood bang look.
I love it. I love the one.
You can do, like, the
No, I
little
love
curl.
the just split in half face look we've
You
got.
can do this and just twisting.
Perfect.
curl.
Love it.
Wow,
Love
that's
it. Oh my god. Oh my, you just took my curl off. What are you
Here.
Oh my fucking god.
One little showpiece.
That's not.
There it is.
This
Oh,
is not
it's
what I
so
wanted.
cool.
I want my money back.
Leave a tip. It really makes me want to scratch your head.
This is not what I wanted.
I like find myself like going like this. I'm like, why am I doing this?
Oh my god.
Watch your eyebrows. Those things are long. You might just get into this.
I do like it though.
No, I do too.
It's definitely not as long as I wanted it to be.
I think it looks nice.
That's so much. I got 90% of my
You're
hair.
like a great Dale. Okay. It's all one length. We gotta.
It is. Is this? Did you do this ear yet?
No, we can't.
Okay,
get
we
ears
can
without
cut
the
it
ear
then.
darts.
Oh,
Okay.
is that what we have?
Yeah.
What are?
You really didn't do any research.